Here's an interesting little application I discovered recently. It's CPU-X. It is, by all intents and purposes, a Linux and FreeBSD version of CPU-Z, which is available for Windows, which gives you a synopsis of your hardware on your machine, everything from your RAM configuration to CPU type, etc., etc. And what's interesting about this particular one is it is available as a text-based application using N-cursors, or it's available as a GTK application. And in the terminal, if we issue CPU-X --help, you can see there's a whole host of commands available. The ones that we're going to be concentrating on this video is the --N-cursors and the --no color. The GTK one is the default one, which automatically, if you start it up, it will go into that. So let's have a look at the N-cursors one. So as you can see, it gives you a basic rundown of your system. There are some areas which are blank, in particular the clocks, the multiplier and bus speed, and a few other tabs like these ones are empty. That's because the program itself requires system admin privileges. Whether or not you give it root privileges is a personal choice. I don't think the program is going to do anything bad to your system, and in some ways you'll miss out if you don't. So we're going to have a look in a minute at how it looks like with root privileges granted. And as you can see, the blank entries have just been filled in. There's information about your caches, motherboard, memory, system, graphics, benchmark if you want to do that, and a quick about. So yeah, very comprehensive, and I actually do like N-cursors based applications. And this is what it looks like when you take away the color, which is available on the command line as --no color. It's very nice. I do prefer this one actually. It's very nice indeed. And here is the GTK version. On startup, it asks you whether or not you can run as root or ignore. If you ignore, you get it as you do on the default or the command line one, where there are some missing parts to the display. It just simply can't access the information. And if you're fine with that, then that's okay. But if you allow to run as root, you'll get the full gamut information like you did before. And this one is presented slightly nicer, I suppose. If you want to, you get a little AMD logo, but it's still the same information as it was on the command line. Various models, temperature if it's supported, and various interesting facts and figures. So yeah, that's it really. It's just a fun little application that I found. Thought someone might be interested in it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.